So, what up? I ain't been here in a while. Got the new merch, new tee, but I ain't been here. So, ooh, that sounded good, FRT. But I got the cookie cutter on this one now, so I swapped them over. So, we're gonna see how she runs. Also, got the atrius selector on here, so we got that. So I got a carbine buffer because this whole build I've been running a carbine buffer, haven't changed it. It's been running FRT no problem, but I don't know. So we gonna do the anti-walk. That's loud. So last time I shot this, the anti-walk pins, I put these on now because last time they weren't on and those pins started walking. So we're gonna see if I got it dialed in. If not, I'll add the H3 buffer. So we'll see. Alright, so we got 20. We're gonna test it out. Alright. We'll do 2 and semi. Test it out first, alright? Alright, so I did 3. Alright, let's do it. Alright, so let's see what happened.
Ali, yeah, check it out. 1911. Oh my God! You get around? I think yes. What do you guys do? There's 2 rounds left. Look how the second one.
Alright, so we got a dead trigger. So we're going to swap the H3 in. Alright, so I guess now that I added, because I did add the folding stock to this one, so I guess with the extra travel, it needs the H3 in there now. Before it didn't, but now it does, so it is what it is. So we'll swap it out, be right back. H3 in, so we're gonna run it. Hopefully it works. And then I went from super back into semi and it worked. I don't know what that's about, so I gotta figure that out. All right.